In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the layering of objects in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, making your slides look polished and professional. Managing the order of objects, like images or text boxes, is essential to ensure that everything appears just the way you want it. To get started, you'll need to open the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation you're working on. Once you have your presentation open, choose the slide that you're currently designing. It's important to have a clear idea of which objects you want to rearrange within your composition. Now identify the object you wish to move. This could be anything from an image, a shape, or a text box. Hover your mouse over the object until it is highlighted, indicating it's ready for selection. This step is crucial, as selecting the wrong object can disrupt your slide layout. So take a moment to double-check you've chosen the correct one. Once you've selected the object, the next step is to right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with various options related to that particular object. If you're using a trackpad, remember that a two-finger click generally substitutes for a right click. This menu is your gateway to manipulating the object's order within the slide. Now focus on the options related to arranging the object. If you want to move your object to the very back, say behind all other elements, you'll need to click on Send to Back. This option ensures that the object is the last thing your audience sees when looking at the slide, essentially layering it beneath everything else. Alternatively, if your goal is to bring an object to the forefront of your design, perhaps because it's the focal point of your slide, you should look for and click Bring to Front. This option moves your object to the very top layer, making it the most visible element on your slide. Adjusting an object's layering position can dramatically alter how your information is perceived, so consider carefully before making these changes. After you've made your selection, take a moment to review your slide. Make sure that the objects are positioned exactly where you want them and that they interact visually in a way that supports your narrative or presentation goals. Fine adjustments and previewing the slide in presentation mode can help ensure everything is aligned and visually appealing. And there you have it. Those are the steps to adjust the order of objects in your PowerPoint presentation. With these simple actions, you can have more control over the visual layout of your slides. Give yourself some time to experiment and practice, and soon, arranging objects will become second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting.